hi, it's me, Allie, or Tabs, either one. Yep. This is my first video, guys. I've been wanting to make videos for like a while, so yeah, this is me making my video, and I think I'm gonna do the whole leave questions below, and I'll answer them. Yeah. I'm gonna show you my cat. This is my kitty. Her name is Miko, and I love her. Hi, such a cutie. She loves me too. But yeah, that's my cat. She's adorable. Yeah, but leave questions, comments down there. Yeah, I'll make more videos. Sure.